I don't.
I'm alright. I'll move if I have to.
Be careful. That did nothing. Don't scrape them. That'll kill them.
Let's see if we can find the queen in here.
Kill Schmill.
Come in here, guys.
Stop being such a shit.
You see a queen yet?
You're peeling bees.
That's literally what it is.
We're peeling the bees.
Oh,
Bee
wow.
peeling ASMR.
Taking pictures of the queen?
Yeah. Video, actually. That's
Oh,
neat.
snap.
Wow.
It's like the chain link monkeys.
Toy Story. I think the queen's probably like right about there.
There she is.
You found her?
Here. No, I think. Nope, I thought I did.
The bees are like, oh, feast along.
Bee salon. They're getting their hair done.
You see any queen yet?
No.
Mass cleaning. It's like a car wash for them.
Hey, free bees.
They're like sticking together.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
I
probably.
don't see the queen yet, do you?
Probably right about there.
She's gonna just have to find them, isn't she?
Well, that's a bad sign if there's no queen. Then that doesn't mean.
What a mess of bees.
Is there any queen?
It might be. She might be in here in this
Left around the
mess.
brush.
Do you see anything?
No. But I would assume they're with her since they're not moving.
Move over here, yeah.
Oh shit!
What?
That scared me. I heard a brrr.
The rest will find their way.
Mom, hold still.
Okay.
See a queen in there anywhere? No.
Back,
That's
bitch.
what.
They attacked your pants.
Thanks, bud.
You're welcome.
You saved me.
Should I crush it?
No.
I might have gotten someone else's honeybees.
Yep.